it's your time, never let you go. Top down, back to back, you the best I know.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am showing you how I got this look, but this video is actually going to be about cut creases on extremely hooded eyes. I've got really hooded eyes. I will give you a close-up, but you'll have a better look when I start the makeup. I just want to show you how I do cut creases. It's taken me a while to learn just because it's difficult doing a cut crease full stop, but on hooded eyes it's like, ooh, it's extreme. So it took me a long time to just learn how to work with my eye shape and everything, but I think I feel like I know what I'm doing now, and I thought that I would share this with everybody else. So that's what this look is about, and obviously I'm gonna do my whole face so you're gonna see what I am wearing. It's a nice like pink cut crease with glitter, and yeah, that is the look. Pretty much that's it. So guys, if you're interested in seeing what I did to get this look and how I cut my crease, and keep watching. So I've already gone and prepped my eyes. I have LA CoverGirl concealer in porcelain, which is I think their lightest shade. So I went over my eyelids and then I set it with my Revolution setting powder in lace, and yeah, I did my eyebrows because that takes the longest. And yeah, I'm ready. Let's get into this look. Okay, so for this look I'm going to be using palettes from Juvia. I've got the Zulu by Juvia, and I've got the Masquerade by Juvia. So we're going to be using both of these to achieve like a pink cut crease. First one I'm going to use is this one here, and I'm going to be using my Morphe M222 for this first shade. What I like about this brush is that it's quite thick, so it packs a lot of colour, but it's also quite tapered and small, so it's precise. And because obviously we don't have a lot of eyelid space, we do want to keep the makeup as precise as possible. And the smaller the brush, the easier it will be. Okay, so this is literally the crease of my eye, but you can't see it because it's covered by the skin. We're going to create a new crease and we're going to put it all the way up here. So we are aiming to start a crease on top of the skin. So around this part of my eye I'm going to put my first shade, and then here we'll put it up here. So now I'm just going to lift my eyebrows up so I can get to that area under my hooded eyelid, and I'm just going to do small strokes. And it's going to be like a winged look, so I'm going to take it out all the way here. So as you can see, I'm creating that S curve. If I look straight into the camera, I've done it just where that crease starts, that hood starts. So we're going to do the same thing with the other eye. And now we can see both shades on top of my hooded eye, even when I open my eye. That's what we want, to be able to see all the colours with my eyes open. We are actually going to add another colour underneath it, so we do want to bring this colour quite high and give room for our darker shade. Next, to buff out this pink shade, I'm going to use this really pretty orange right here. And I'm going to use the Morphe M506, which is one of my favourite brushes. It's tapered, quite precise, and it's really good for blending. We're going to lightly just buff out that pink. Very lightly, just in a back and forth motion. Of course, once we do that, we're going to lose some of the colour from the previous shade. So I'm just going to go back and intensify that again. Okay, so now we have both the pink and orange shade blended in, and you can still see both shades with my eye open. So that's what we want. Lastly, I'm gonna go in with, not lastly, but the last shade that I'm gonna use for my my brow area before I cut the crease is this nice purple, deep purple, and we're gonna put that down below the pink to just really intensify this eye before we cut the crease. I am using a M138 by Morphe. It's another bullet type brow. I'm going to put in our crease and then we're going to work up. We're not going to be able to see it in that crease, but we're going to work up, so don't worry. A good habit is to just open your eye and just check if you can see all those colours and how they're coming together. I'm going to bring it up a little bit more. Once I can see that purple just above my crease, I'm going to go back with that pink again, that first colour that we used. I'm going to use it to just tie all the colours in. So we're going to go back into that middle section just before the purple and under the orange, and just slowly pat it on, just and bring back some of that pink. So now that I am happy with my blended colours, it's time to cut that crease. I'm going to be using the P. Louise base in Ruma 0 and the Morphe M224 brush to cut my crease. Okay guys, bear with me, I haven't cut my crease properly on camera, so you might not be able to see it step by step, but I'm going to do my best. So I usually just put some in the back of my hand, like so. We want to follow the shape of our eyes. We don't want it too low. We want to follow the shape of our eyes, that oval shape, but we want it to be above the skin. So above that hood, and we want to still maintain that shape. Some people do like to clear off the excess colour, but I don't mind too much because it's going to be pink. If it was going to be a different shade, then maybe it would have made sense to take some colour off, but yeah, we're good. Okay. I start off with the corner of my eye. I'm going to keep following that curve all the way around and then flick it at the end. Okay guys, sorry my camera kind of cut off, but I'm still working on that crease. You do want to kind of lift your eye so you can get a nice idea of where your eye is. However, ultimately, you're not going to be like, your eyes are not going to stay, your eyebrows are not going to stay like this, they're going to be like this. So you do need to go back and just see what it looks like without you raising your eyebrow, just to ensure that it's smooth. Otherwise you will realize that your line isn't straight. So lift your eyebrow to try and see your shape, but you have to keep it normal so you can get the best finish. Now I've got the shape that I want. I'm just going to pat it down. I'm going to use some of my setting powder to just mattify it a little bit. I'm going to go into my lid area with this pretty pigment. It's a pink that I got from eBay. I'm not sure if my camera's going to focus. Oh, there we go. Alright, at this point I'm going to get my eyeliner and just draw my liner. Eyeliner is now on. And I'm going to jazz it up a bit with some glitter. I've got this pink. And I've got this pink. And I'll be using my NYX glitter glue. Now that's the look. I'm just going to put some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, let's go on with this face. Okay guys, got my wig, my lips are done, and that's the end of the video. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you learned something about cut creases with hooded eyes. I'm not sure how clear I was, but I'm open to feedback. So if there's anything that you think I could have changed and improved, please let me know. Thank you for watching. There's nothing else. I will see you guys in my next video.